This is the Stanley 3-in-1 toolbox, which I purchased it from Amazon. I bought it for 3000 bucks, but now the price got increased. It's a huge toolbox with a wheel, and if at all you are planning to purchase this toolbox, I'll try my level best to give my opinion. And I'm using this toolbox for past 1.5 months. As you can see, the toolbox is fully loaded here, and it's very difficult to carry or push or even pull the toolbox when it is loaded in off-road. Even it is very difficult to steer also. As you can see, I'm struggling here to rotate the toolbox. Whereas if you are using it in indoor, it's very easy to carry it, handle it, even to push and pull the box. Even you can steer the toolbox very easily, but you need to tilt it for about 45 degrees. If the box is on the floor vertically, the wheel rotates freely. As you can see, the gap between the floor and the wheel is about 2 mm. Let me just fast forward it to show you what and all the tools I have stored in the box. These are the tools which I stored in the first box. And the first box has a huge space. And this is the second box. Second box has less space compared to the first box and the bottom box. And these are the tools actually I stored in the third box. And this is what happens when you forget to lock it. You can actually carry this box in your car boot space, but the only issue is it occupies almost 25 to 30% of the boot space. Well, this is it. This is my opinion about this monster toolbox. If at all you're trying to purchase it, go for it.